In the glittering city of Dublin, where history meets modernity, the McGowan family hides a web of secrets. Frances McGowan, a socialite with a heart of gold, harbors a secret even her brother Bruce doesn't know. Frances was adopted, and her biological family, the O'Connors, struggle on the other side of the city. As the charity ball season unfolds, Frances's world threatens to unravel. Her brother, Connor O'Connor, infiltrates their lives, aiming to unmask her. A photograph nearly reveals Frances's ties to the O'Connors. Liz O'Connor, Frances's biological mother, arrives at the ball, shocking everyone. Bruce faces his own dilemma, torn between family loyalty and love. Frances races against time to bridge her two worlds. As the drama ends, Frances stands at a fateful crossroad with everything at stake.